Only 2 ingredients, and this air fryer eggplant is surprisingly amazing. Stay with me. Hi, I'm Emma. I'll be honest, I used to completely ignore eggplant at the grocery store. Too bitter, too mushy, just not worth it. But then I tried this. Grab 2 fresh eggplants, look for firm skin, no soft spots, and 1 whole head of garlic. That's it. That's your ingredient list. Step 1. The skewer trick. Alright, step 1. The skewer trick. This is the game changer. Lay your eggplant flat on a cutting board and slide 2 bamboo skewers along the sides, parallel about ½ an inch apart. Now, slice straight down with your knife. The skewers stop the blade right before it hits the board, so every single slice stays connected at the bottom. Perfect accordion cuts every time. Check this out. Look how even those slices are. No uneven cuts, no falling apart. And it only takes about 30 seconds. Step 2. Salt those cuts. Sprinkle a little salt down into each slit and let the eggplant rest for 15 minutes. I know 15 minutes feels like forever when you're hungry, trust me, I get it. But the salt is pulling out the bitter liquid. That's what's making the texture so much better. After 15 minutes, grab some paper towels and pat the eggplant completely dry. Every drop of moisture you remove now means crispier, more flavourful eggplant later. Step 3. Garlic first, then the sauce. Now here comes the fun part, and the order here really matters. Take your sliced garlic, about 5 or 6 cloves, thinly sliced, and tuck 1 to 3 slices into each slit, depending on how garlicky you like it. Get every single one. Once the garlic is in, tear off a sheet of aluminium foil and loosely cradle the eggplant in it like a little boat. This is important. The foil is just acting as a base here, holding everything in place so nothing drips out when you add the sauce. Now in a small bowl, mix together 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, both work great, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes for a tiny kick and beautiful colour. Brush that mixture generously all over the outside of the eggplant and work it deep into every single slit, right over the garlic. Don't be shy with it, every drop counts. As it roasts, the garlic softens and almost melts right into the eggplant. The flavour is absolutely incredible, like something you'd get at a nice restaurant, but made at home in your air fryer. By the way, do you prefer your eggplant soft and creamy on the inside? Or do you like a little char on the outside? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know. Step 4. Wrap and air fry. Alright, once you've brushed on all that sauce, now wrap each eggplant tightly in the foil. Seal it up completely. This keeps all the steam and flavour locked inside, so the eggplant cooks all the way through before the outside starts to brown. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper. Place the wrapped eggplants in and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, carefully open the foil brush on any remaining oil source and air fry for the last 10 minutes uncovered. That final 10 minutes is where the magic happens. The skin tightens up, gets shiny, and the whole kitchen starts smelling unreal. Look at that colour. Look at the garlic. Perfectly golden, tucked right in there. I'm not gonna lie, every single time I make this, I have to stop myself from eating it straight off the tray. Seriously, 2 ingredients, 1 air fryer, 30 minutes. And you get this. Restaurant quality eggplant right on your dinner table. What surprised you most about this recipe? The skewer trick. The garlic foil trick. Tell me in the comments, I read every single one. If you loved this, hit that like button and subscribe to Emma Tips. I post new kitchen tricks every week. And check out this video next, I think you're going to love it.